I don't like running into things. So I was like really nervous about where to go. I wasn't really nervous about like the space and who was in it, obviously because I was alone, but I knew you guys were there, but like I was still like really hesitant because I was actually afraid to like walk around because I was afraid to run into stuff. It wasn't scary once I got in there.
The last time I kind of had to do something like this wasn't by choice. I got surgery and then I couldn't see for 2 weeks. And so I'm used to walking around like without being able to see, but I don't know what to expect. Her personality coming into this is different than mine, so she's gonna be all nervous and I'm just gonna be really relaxed. So I want to see how that will mesh. It was really intense. I feel like I'm in like the danger zone or something, or like space. You brought me into the room and it was dark. Then here I got a little bit nervous then because I was like,
it was really dark.
You best in the space.
Space?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. It's kind of like.
I really appreciated people telling me when, like Kyle was like, you're leaving, and you told me as well, like you're leaving the zone. I was like, okay, good, I feel supported.
I'm ready to go. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm ready to go. Okay. At first I wasn't focused on the music, I was more focused on like where he was. So I was like, yeah. I'm just gonna find out where Johnny is and then just chill. Because like before I was like drawn to like different sounds and stuff, like this time I was just more concerned about Johnny.
Well, I don't really know what's inside, so I don't know what to expect. I just hear a lot of drony sounds and I'm gonna be blindfolded. So I guess it's gonna be more of like a sensual experience. I was trying to like find the sounds, and I could tell that they're coming from different areas. So I was trying to locate them, but it was difficult because I think some of the speakers were above my head. So I knew the direction.
There's a tall one.
Yeah, but I couldn't actually like pinpoint where the sound was coming from.
I felt the same kind of thing that Robin went through. This time I was more nervous.
Yeah.
With not being the first time, I felt like, oh, where are they gonna be?
It sounded cool when I span around because it was coming from different angles. So
It was pretty cool, dude.
The audio levels would be changing if you're spinning your head from each. I've never really meditated, but it seems like it would be a meditative experience because it's just like it blocks out every other thing that would be distracting you, and it keeps you in your own little space.
It felt not unsettling, but it had like more of a balance between being comfortable and uncomfortable. It made me feel like I was in space.
Yeah.
It made me like want to walk slow and be like moonwalk or something. Like it made me want. I felt like I was like a little kid or something. Like it was like. Oh.
So, like meditation is a free will thing, and you can choose to do it or stop. But this is like the same experience, sensory experience, but it's forcing you to close your eyes and it's forcing you to not pay attention, except for